Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, this is your maths video class and we are revising chapter number 9, measurement mass. Chapter 9, measurement mass. Okay, so children, we have started yesterday. Convert the following into grams and convert into kilograms and grams. And we have completed, children, exercise number 9.1, question number 18. Okay, so 1 to 18 we have completed. Today we are going to start from 19 number question, exercise number 9.1. So children, please take out your maths book and we are going to start exercise number 9.1. And you can find this question number 19 on page number 142. Okay, so take out your maths book and your copies. We are going to start our revision from 19 number question. So this is exercise number 9.1 we are doing, and we will start today 19 number question. Okay, 19 number question is 4,108. So children, here we are going to convert into kilograms and grams. 4,108. So now children, we will do 4,000. Okay, so 4,000, here you can see this is 4,000. 4,000 grams plus 108 grams equal to 4 kg and 108 grams. Okay, so this is 4,000 gram and 108 gram. 4,000 will become 4 kg and now 108 grams are left, so it will remain same. Okay children, now we will do 20 number question. 19 we have completed, now 20 numbers question, that is 5,018 gram. 5,018 gram children equal to 5,000 gram plus 18 gram equal to 5 kg 18 gram. Whatever the numbers will come in thousand place, that will become kg. Okay children, I hope this is clear to you, that whatever the number is coming at the thousand number place, so it will become kg. Now 5,000, so it will become 5 kg. 18 gram will be left, so it will be added after this. Now we are going to do 21 number question, that is 9,009 grams. 9,009 gram equal to, you can see this is 9,000 gram plus, you can see 9 gram. Okay, so now 9,000, because this is at the thousand place, so it will become 9 kg 9 gram. 9 kg and 9 gram. So that is how you can complete your 21 number question. Now after that we are going to start addition kilograms and grams. Our next topic is addition kilograms and grams. Okay, so after completing this, you just complete it, we will start addition. Okay, now let's start the new topic of this chapter, that is addition. Addition kilograms and grams. kilograms and grams. Kilograms and grams. Okay. So this we are going to start, children. Now addition without regrouping. Okay. Without regrouping, it means this is simple addition. Okay, children. I hope this is clear to you. Simple addition we will do. Okay. Addition without regrouping. Addition without regrouping. It means here you are not carrying any number to other number. Okay, we are not going to carry. Okay, so now we will add kg and gram. Suppose 25 kg, 65 gram, 22 kg and here 32 grams. Okay, now we are going to add this. This is without regrouping. Okay, we are not going to carry the numbers. Now 5 plus 2 we will get 7, 6 plus 3 we will get 9, 5 plus 2 we will get 7 and 2 and 2 is here 4. So now what is the sum of this total? This question that you will get 47 kg and 97 gram. So therefore sum equal to 47 kg 97 gram. Okay, so equal to sum, therefore sum equal to 47 kg and 97 gram. So that is how we will do addition without regrouping. हम लोग addition करेंगे without regrouping. Okay, on the basis of that. Now we will just revise or recapitulate what we have done in our earlier chapters, that is addition with regrouping. It means we just carry over the numbers to the others number. So addition with regrouping. Okay. So let's start doing addition with regrouping. That I am going to give you one number, that is kg and gram. Okay, children. Now 5 kg and 3 kg. Now 832 grams and here 498 grams. 498 grams. Now children, we will add first. So this is addition with regrouping. It means we just carry over the numbers to the next number. Okay. Now here children, 8 plus 2 we will get 10. 1 is carry over. 9 and 3, 10, 11, 12 and this is 13. 3 will be placed over here and 1 is carry over. Now 8 and 4, 9, 10, 11, 12 and this is 13. 3 is there. Now 1 again is carry over. So 5 and 3, as you all know children, when we will add 5 plus 3 we will get 8. Okay, 8 plus 1, this is 9. So now this is called regrouping because the numbers we are carrying over gram to kilogram. We are just adding from the grams to kilogram. अब हम numbers को grams से kilogram में add कर रहे हैं. So that is why therefore sum equal to 9 kg and 330 grams. ठीक है? 9 kg 330 grams. So children, complete this. Now this is an example only. Now we will do exercise number 9.2 because we have revised how to solve the questions. Okay, addition with regrouping and addition with without regrouping we have done. Now on the basis of that, we are going to solve the exercise which you can find on page number 143, exercise number 9.2. Okay, 9.2 we are going to solve, children. So just turn over the page and we will get the exercise. This is 9.2, exercise number 9.2, children. Okay, exercise 9.2. Okay, now first number, this is add only, addition. First number, that is kg and gram, kg and gram. Now here 3 kg, 220 grams, 1 kg, 095 grams. Okay, now plus karenge. Second number we will write on the board, kg, gram, 2 kg and 375 gram. 2 kg and 375 grams. Now 3 kg 147 gram. 3 kg and 147 gram. So children, just add it. Let's add it. 0 and 5 we will get 5. 9 and 2, 10 and 11 we will get 1 and 1 is there. 2 and 1 is 3. 3 and 1 is 4. So therefore sum equal to 4 kg 315 gram. 4 kg 315 gram, children. Okay. Now here children you can see 7 and 5 or 5 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 2, 1 is carry over, 7 and 5. So children, here you can see 2 and here 3 we will get 5. Okay, so therefore sum equal to 5 kg 522 grams. Okay children, so complete this. Now 1 and 2 we have solved. Now number 3. Number 3 we are going to solve, children. Number 3 is 4 kg, 4 kg and 295 gram, 295 gram. Now this is 3 kg, 005 gram. Okay, just add it. 5, 5, 10, 1 is carry over, 9 and 1 is 10, 1 is carry over, 2 and 1 is 3. 4 and 3 equal to 7. So sum, therefore sum equal to 7 kg 300 grams. Similarly, number 4. Okay, number 4 is kg and gram. 2 kg 880 gram, 2 kg 880 grams, 4 kg 609 grams, 4 kg 609 grams, 609 gram. So now children add this. Okay, so 0 plus 9 we will get 9, 9. Okay children, now 8, 0, this is 8. Okay, now 8 and 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4 is there, 1 is carry over, 4 and 2 is 6 and 1 is 7. So therefore sum equal to 7 kg 489 gram. 489 grams. So children, complete it. Now fourth number we have done. Now 5 and 6 we are going to do. Okay, so let's start doing 5 and 6. Five and 6 number. This is again kg and gram. 1 kg 218 gram, 1 kg 218 gram, 2 kg and 956 gram, 956 gram. So let's add 8 and 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 4, 1 is carryover, 5 and 1, that is 6 and 1 is 7. So this is 9 and 2, 10, 11, 1 is carryover, okay. Now here 2 and 1 is 3 and 1 is 4. So therefore sum equal to 4 kg 174 gram, okay. So this is fifth number we have completed. Now sixth number, okay, sixth number अब हम लोग करेंगे, that is kg and gram once again. 4 kg 693 gram, 4 kg 693 gram. Now 4 kg 408 gram, okay. Now let's add 8 and 3, 9, 10, 11. 1 is carryover. Now 9 and 1 is 10, okay. 1 is again carryover, 6, 4, 10 and 1 is 11. 1 is carryover, 4, 4, 8 and 1 is 9. So now therefore sum equal to 9 kg 101 gram, okay. So let's complete it, 5 and 6 number question. Now after that we will do next question, that is 7 and 8, okay. So 7 and 8 number question we are going to do. Seven number 3 kg 308 gram, 3 kg 308 gram and 4 kg 64 gram, 64 gram. Now here we will do kg and gram. Now 4 kg 64 gram. Now here 3 kg 308 gram. So children, always remember, that is, if it is written over here, so here children we are going to add this, okay. 8 and 4, that is 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 is carryover. 6 and 1 is 7. Now this is 3 because nothing is there. 4 and 3 is 7. So here therefore sum equal to 7 kg 372 grams, okay. Okay children. Now we will do our next number, that is 8 number. 8 number, there is kg and gram. This is 8 number, 7 kg 12 gram, 7 kg 12 gram and 5 kg 8 gram. We are going to add 8 and 2 is 10, 1 is carryover, 1 and 1 is 2, 7 and 5, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this is 12 kg and 20 grams. So therefore sum equal to 12 kg 20 gram. Okay, so complete it, 7 and 8. Okay, complete this, children. Nine number we will do. Nine number, that is 2 kg 890 gram and 3 kg 236 gram. So we will write kg and gram, that is 2 kg 890 gram and here 3 kg 436 gram. Just add it. 6, 9 and 3, 10, 11, 12. 1 is carryover. 8 and 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 13. 1 is carryover. 3 and 2 is 5 and 1 is 6. So children, therefore sum equal to 6 kg and 326 gram. So children, complete it. Now we have done our 9 number question. So we will continue the same exercise in our next video also. So we will meet again. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.